Want to know what's hot in theaters this weekend? Horror fans will delight in this weekend's offering, The Conjuring 2, a supernatural thriller based on the true-life case of one of England's most notorious hauntings. The epic fantasy adventure film Warcraft, based on the popular video game series, brings the battle for survival to the big screen. This weekend features the return of the thrilling illusion-filled caper, Now You See Me Too. The Four Horsemen reappearing for a comeback performance to clear their names. New faces Daniel Radcliffe and Lizzie Kaplan join the magical mayhem. And finally, let's find out what's hot in theaters this weekend with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you next time on Weekend Ticket.